Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write speech on Earth Day. Good morning everyone. My name is Abhinav. Today is 22nd April and we are celebrating Earth Day. Earth Day to remind us the importance of taking care of our planet. Our Earth is suffering from climate change, pollution, deforestation. We can protect the Earth by reducing, reusing, and recycling. Planting trees can help the Earth stay healthy. The theme for Earth Day is Restore Our Earth. Protect the Earth, preserve our future. Be kind to the Earth, it's our only hope. It's our responsibility to protect it and make our Earth a better place to live in. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.